Welcome to my channel, Cosmic Romance. This is going to blow your mind. From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed at the stars, our eyes filled with wonder and our hearts brimming with questions. We have pondered our place in the cosmos, seeking to understand the vast expanse that stretches beyond our sight. We are creatures of curiosity, driven to understand the mysteries of existence. Why are we here? What is our purpose? These questions have haunted us for millennia. What is the nature of reality? Is it merely what we perceive with our senses, or is there something more profound lurking beneath the surface? Is there a grand design or purpose to our lives, or are we simply the result of random cosmic events? These questions have echoed through the ages, fueling philosophical debates and scientific inquiry. Great minds have wrestled with these concepts, from ancient philosophers to modern thinkers. The search for answers has taken us from ancient myths and religious texts where gods and spirits were believed to hold the keys to our existence, to the cutting edge of modern science, where we use technology to probe the very fabric of the universe. We have explored the vastness of space, sending probes and telescopes to the far reaches of our solar system and beyond. We have delved into the intricate workings of the human brain, mapping its complexities and seeking to understand the nature of consciousness. We have unlocked the secrets of the atom, revealing the fundamental building blocks of matter and the forces that govern them. Yet despite all our advancements, the fundamental questions of existence remain. Why do we exist? What is the meaning of life? These questions continue to elude us. Perhaps some answers lie beyond the realm of traditional science. Perhaps we need to look inward to explore the depths of our own consciousness and the mysteries of the human spirit. Perhaps we need to explore the frontiers of human knowledge, where physics meets metaphysics, and where the tangible intersects with the intangible. It is in this intersection that we may find the most profound insights into the nature of consciousness, the possibility of an afterlife, and our ultimate destiny. As we continue to seek answers, we must remain open to the idea that the truth may be more complex and wondrous than we can currently comprehend. The journey of discovery is ongoing, and each step brings us closer to understanding the eternal questions that have shaped our existence. Whether through science, philosophy, or spirituality, the quest for knowledge continues, and with it the hope that one day we may find the answers we seek. One of the most enduring mysteries is the nature of consciousness itself. For centuries, philosophers, scientists, and thinkers have pondered this enigmatic phenomenon, seeking to understand what it truly means to be aware, to perceive, and to exist. What is it that allows us to experience the world, to think, to feel, to dream? Is it merely the complex interplay of neurons and synapses in our brains, or is there something more profound at play? The quest to unravel the secrets of consciousness has led to numerous theories and hypotheses, each offering a unique perspective on this elusive subject. Is consciousness merely a product of our physical brains, or is it something more fundamental, something that exists independently of our physical bodies? This question lies at the heart of the debate between materialism and dualism. Materialists argue that consciousness arises solely from the physical processes within the brain, while dualists believe that it is a separate entity that interacts with the brain. Some believe that consciousness is an emergent property of complex systems, like the human brain. They argue that as the brain's complexity increases, consciousness emerges as a natural consequence. This perspective suggests that consciousness is not a fundamental aspect of reality, but rather a byproduct of the brain's intricate network of neurons and synapses. They argue that as billions of neurons fire and interact, consciousness arises as a byproduct of this intricate dance of electrochemical signals. This view is supported by numerous studies in neuroscience, which have shown that specific patterns of neural activity are associated with different states of consciousness, such as wakefulness, sleep, and altered states induced by meditation or psychedelics. Others propose that consciousness is a fundamental aspect of reality, like space, time, and energy. This idea, known as panpsychism, suggests that consciousness is a basic feature of the universe, present in all things to varying degrees. According to this view, Even inanimate objects possess a rudimentary form of consciousness, which becomes more complex and sophisticated in living organisms. In this view, consciousness is not created by the brain, but rather interacts with it, much like a radio wave interacts with a receiver. The brain, in this analogy, acts as a sophisticated receiver that tunes into and processes the universal field of consciousness, translating it into the rich tapestry of experiences that we perceive as our inner world. This concept of consciousness as a fundamental force opens up intriguing possibilities. If consciousness is indeed a universal field, it could mean that our individual minds are not isolated entities, but rather interconnected nodes within a vast cosmic network of awareness. This interconnectedness could explain phenomena such as telepathy, collective consciousness, and the sense of oneness reported by mystics and spiritual practitioners. If consciousness is not limited to our physical bodies, could it exist independently in some other realm? This question has profound implications for our understanding of life, death, and the nature of existence itself. It suggests that our consciousness might persist beyond the physical body, potentially offering a scientific basis for concepts such as the afterlife, reincarnation, and spiritual experiences. Could our individual consciousnesses be connected to a larger, universal consciousness, a cosmic web of awareness that permeates all of existence? This idea resonates with many ancient spiritual traditions, which have long taught that all beings are interconnected and that the true nature of reality is a unified field of consciousness. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the mind, we may find that the answers lie not just within the confines of our brains, but in the boundless expanse of the cosmos itself. The idea of a collective or universal consciousness has been explored by philosophers and mystics for centuries. This concept, often shrouded in mystery and wonder, suggests that there is a deeper connection between all living beings, transcending the physical and the tangible. It is a notion that has fascinated thinkers from various cultures and eras, each adding their unique perspective to this profound idea. It is the concept that we are all interconnected, our individual minds like drops of water in an ocean of consciousness. Just as each drop of water contributes to the vastness of the ocean, our individual thoughts, emotions, and experiences contribute to a collective pool of consciousness. This interconnectedness implies that our actions and thoughts can ripple through this ocean, affecting others in ways we might not immediately perceive. This interconnectedness could explain phenomena like intuition, empathy, and even telepathy, suggesting that our thoughts and feelings can transcend the boundaries of our physical selves. When we experience a sudden gut feeling or an inexplicable sense of knowing, it might be a glimpse into this shared consciousness. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another, could be seen as a direct manifestation of this universal mind, allowing us to connect deeply with others. According to some spiritual traditions and spiritual yoga practices, this universal consciousness is seen as a divine or spiritual force, the source of all creation and the ultimate destination of our souls. These traditions often teach that by tapping into this universal mind, we can achieve higher states of awareness and enlightenment. The practices and rituals in these traditions are designed to help individuals connect with this greater consciousness within us, fostering a sense of unity and oneness with the universe. Others view it as a more neutral force, a field of pure potentiality from which all things arise and to which they eventually return. This perspective sees the universal mind not as a deity, but as a fundamental aspect of reality, a source of infinite possibilities. It is a field where ideas, matter, and energy intermingle, giving birth to the diversity of life and existence we observe. While the concept of a universal consciousness is difficult to prove scientifically, it offers a compelling explanation for the interconnectedness we often observe in the world around us. Scientists and researchers are beginning to explore the idea that our brains might be capable of connecting to this larger field of consciousness, potentially explaining phenomena that traditional science struggles to account for. The study of quantum physics, for instance, has opened new avenues for understanding how interconnected our universe truly is. By embracing this idea, we can foster a greater sense of empathy, harmony, both within ourselves and in our interactions with others. The part of universal mind within us, whether seen as a spiritual understanding or a field of potentiality, invites us to explore the depths of our own consciousness and the boundless possibilities it holds. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this exploration of consciousness, please like and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for your support.